Really appreciate SGX coming in to conduct the sports fun workshop for our students. The uniqueness of this program is that SGX actually provided volunteers for the program. And this is very important because the students usually do not have a lot of opportunity to go out from school and interact with the community. So by SGX bringing all these volunteers here, the students are able to have more interactions with others, and it really helps them build their social skills.
Personally, I have a kid myself. Honestly, in my opinion, they are just like normal kids and they just want to play and have fun.
Our volunteers learn how to communicate with someone who has special needs. At the same time, our children learn how to communicate with strangers and how to communicate meaningfully, which actually encourages participation, which is what we call it inclusion. So it's a great support, and we would like to thank SGX for a long-term partnership.